Hello, how are you? This is Dr. Nandi. For those of you who do not know me, this is the crazy dude, Dr. Nandi, who solves all kinds of math videos and uploads them in his YouTube channel. But many of you don't know, I have also uploaded some interesting short travel videos all around the world on my YouTube video channel also. So if you get bored watching the math video, you can always switch to those travel videos and you may find them interesting. So today again, I will solve a math problem as usual, but I have a request. Please do not quit halfway through. And if you like this video, please give me thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing I'll do is reduce the thing. And maybe I can move this to this side. You can see it. Okay. Says the base of a right circular cylinder has radius equal to 25 centimeter. The height of the cylinder is 20 centimeter. The volume of the cylinder is dash centimeter cubed. Now, if you think of a right circular cylinder, it's just like a Coke can. Okay, in this case, the base of that cylinder or the base of the can has radius of 25 centimeter and the height of the can or the cylinder is 20 centimeter. So first we will find the base area. So solution, remember it's a square circle. Solution area of the circular base, area of the circular base. And here we will use the formula, if we call it B is equal to, being a circle, it's pi r square. Now you ask me what is pi? Pi is a constant, it's 3.14 and my radius is 25 centimeter as given in the problem. So it is 25 square and the unit is centimeter square. So the base area B becomes equal to 3.14 multiplied by 625. How do I know that? 25 square is 65. Now I will multiply 625 times 3.14. And the answer is, remember, this is the area of the circular base. So B is equal to 1962.5 centimeters square. Now, the height of the cylinder is given to us. Height of the cylinder is 20 centimeter. So volume of the right circular cylinder is base times height, base area times height. And we already know the base area is 1962.5, and that will be multiplied by the height, and the height is 20 centimeter. So that base is in the base area is in centimeter square, multiply it by the height centimeter. So it will be, the unit will be centimeter cubed. Always volume unit is cubed. Here the dimensions are in centimeter, so it will be centimeters cubed. So if we call this volume as V, V is equal to this. So V is equal to, I will do the calculation on my calculator, 1962.5 multiplied by 20 is 39,000 is 39,250 centimeter cubed. Again, the unit of the volume is always cubed. So area of the base in this case is 1962.5. Multiply that by the height is 20 centimeters. So unit of the base area is 1962.5 centimeters square multiplied by 20 centimeter. Final unit of the volume is centimeter cubed, and it is 39,250 centimeter cubed. Hey, I will stop here today. I'm sure you may have some questions. Please feel free to shoot me a question, to shoot me a comment. I look forward to hear back from you, and I'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. And if you like this video, share with your friends. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please remember, I do not have any sponsors, so you are my sponsor. You are my audience. If I get good feedback from you, that motivates me. So please give me a hearty thumbs up if you like this video. And you and your friends, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button on the bottom right corner. And please do not forget to watch me out tomorrow when I'll be back with another new video. Thanks. Take care. Have a nice day. See you.